Right, we're on Honeymoon. Let's rip the hotel grounds with a Tinywhoop.
So welcome to my honeymoon, people. It's not the kind of toys I imagined on the bed. Oh, God, here we go. Look at him.
You're stand. I can see
Look
you
at
in
him.
the camera over here.
He loves it, bless him.
I can see you.
I can see you.
I'm going to come through the hole in the. I mean, that's normally what you do in a honeymoon, isn't it? But
It is normally,
through the
but
doorway.
what, you're coming in?
Yeah, I'm going to I'm
Oh, you're
behind
coming
you.
out. Oh, Jesus. Oh, get out the way. The room's a mess.
Let's rip the grounds. Oh, this wicked round here. Over the pool.
You're not going over the pool.
Yeah, I'm over the top of the pool. Oh, look at the sunset. Look at the
People in
sunset.
the pool.
It's dead calm. It's dead calm tonight. What's this? What's happening over here? Oh, this is. I thought that was like a. Don't know what that is, but we're going.
Can you not get us
Over
thrown
it.
out? That would be really embarrassing.
Huh?
Can you not get us thrown out? That would be really embarrassing.
Oh, what's this? This is pretty cool. Go under here. Through here. I think this is our hotel room up here. It's pretty cool.
Oh.
Let's just go down. Whoa. Don't think there's anyone on the balconies or anything like that. This is a
Luckily
sick
not,
place
look.
to fly at, honestly.
It's a nice bird coming across here.
It's like so calm tonight.
Jesus Christ, it's scaring the shit out of all of the birds. Look,
Can you see?
look, all of a sudden there's birds flying everywhere.
It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, this is over the top of the restaurant now, isn't it?
You like Stevie Wonder sitting there.
This is cool.
Oh, that's the terrace down there.
There's no one there though. I'm just over the top of this like weird ball thing. You're not standing in the doorway, are you?
Me? No.
I'm going to come straight in. God, it's a mess in here.
Yeah, you could have given me a bit of warning.
We're going on a hoon. Can you hear it when it's like out?
Shh.
Oh shit.
Everyone can hear you.
Oh, I'm over by that tree now. Can you hear it or not?
Yeah.
You can.
Not so much over there.
It's wicked over here. Right, I'm going to come in and get another battery. Let's dive the building.
No, be careful.
Oh, whoa!
Be careful.
Yeah, your battery's running low.
Right, up you
let's get
come.
another one.
Up you come. No, let's not get another one. Let's leave it. Let's leave
One
it
more,
there.
one more.
No, let's leave it there.
One more.
Can you get my phone?
Hilarious fun.
Can you get my phone, please?
Right, I'm gonna increase the angle. Increase the camera angle. We'll do another 450, I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon.
I'll wait another 450. Oh god. Where is your phone? Oh, there. But you need to be filming me, not looking at your phone.
Oh, you punch on the nose in a minute.
Yeah, that's a camera angle. That is. Oh yeah.
I need to take my hand off.
We're going fast now.
Please be careful.
Let's see how far we can go. Can we go all the way over here? Yeah.
Be careful.
Look at the grounds. Look at the grounds. Look at the grounds. Oh dear.
Something's critical. Andy, it's critical.
We are steaming.
Oh, I can hear it. Everyone can hear it. But, babe, I think you've done enough.
this is brilliant, this thing. I've only flown this inside the air.
Oh.
Whoa! No, we've binned it.
Oh no, where's it gone?
Yeah, we're over by that, you know that?
Can you get it back?
Let's see, hang on.
Right, get it back and then that's enough.
Oh, I'm under a parasol. I'm under a parasol. Whoa, I'm doing it.
Come on.
That's it, okay, I've got it back.
Inland, done.
Crashed again.
Andy, Jesus, come on.
There you go.
I'm not getting
We're
it.
We're okay.
I'm not getting it.
We're alright. We're okay.
Back now. Enough now. Enough now.
Alright.
No.
RF signal critical.
Come on. It's critical again.
Why is the RX signal critical?
I don't know, but just get it back in, please. There we go. Here we go. Here it is.
Straight in.
Oh, I totally missed that on the camera. Right. Thank you and good night.
Great honeymoon.